Hi and welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at primary research. Primary research is one of the types of market research. Market research involves collecting and analysing information about consumers, the markets, and competitors. So these are the two types of market research: primary research and secondary research. Primary research involves collecting first-hand data that did not exist before the research began. This means it's being carried out by the business itself or by a market research agency for an intense, focused purpose. Primary research is also known as field research, and it's very useful at finding out new information, whereas secondary research, otherwise known as desk research, is about conducting research that has already been undertaken by someone else for another purpose. Primary research is mostly about asking consumers questions or monitoring their behaviour. Here are some methods of primary research. So we have focus groups, observations, questionnaires, and test marketing. When it comes to focus groups, this is where a small number of people are brought together to discuss their opinions on a product or service. Focus groups are used to gather information on people's opinions, attitudes, and beliefs about a product or prospective product. Market researchers may ask about people's experience with a product or service, or customers might explain why they would or wouldn't recommend a product or service. Observations. They involve watching customers to find out their reactions to certain products or services. For example, observing what window display customers are drawn to or how much time consumers spend making decisions. When it comes to questionnaires, these are a very popular research method and they have the ability to reach a large sample. They are a set of questions that are used to find out customers' opinions. They can be online, posted, or face to face, and can contain both open questions or closed questions. Open questions might ask respondents how they feel about a product or service, whereas closed questions require a yes or no response, or something similar to that. Then we have test marketing, and that really means launching a product in one region and measuring sales and the customer's responses before launching it nationwide. The market test is generally carried out to check the probable market success in terms of new products' performances. Now let's look at the advantages and disadvantages of primary research. It's important to know the advantages and disadvantages of primary research. An advantage to primary research is that the research undertaken is specific to the business, so the data that is collected can be directly applied to the issue being researched. So it's specific to the firm's actual scenario and situation. Therefore, it's fit for purpose. Another advantage is that the information is up to date. So it's relevant and up to date, unlike secondary research, which might be out of date. However, there are disadvantages. Primary research can be time consuming to conduct. The researchers need to ensure that the questions asked are designed well, conducted and collected, the research analysed, and all that takes time. Another disadvantage is that it can be expensive. The more effort and time involved, the more expensive it'll be. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time.